Hey Kipsters, this is pretty weird, but I don't have a Khan Academy video to help you with these kind of problems, so I'm just going to do my own here real quick. So as we read through this problem, the first thing we want to figure out is what is being split up. And then we can ask ourselves two questions. Either one, how much is it being split up by, or what's the size of the part we want to break it into. So I can probably write, what's the size of each part? Or we can ask, how many parts? So we should be able to answer these two questions right after we read through the problem. So we see Harvey's making a pizza for a small group of friends and has 7/8 of a gallon of pizza sauce left. Each pizza he makes uses 1/4 of a gallon of pizza sauce. So already right here, let's figure out what's being split up. It should be the 7/8 of a gallon of pizza sauce. That's what's being split up. So 7/8 of a gallon. And so then we have to think about, do we know the size of each part, or do we know the number of parts it's being broken into? So if we look here, it looks like he's going to make 1/4 of a gallon of pizza sauce with each pizza. So that's going to tell us the size of each part. If it said that he's going to split it up over 4 pizzas, that would tell us the number of parts. But this time it's the size of each part. So here we're going to say it would be 1/4 of a gallon per pizza. So really the problem I'm trying to figure out is 7/8, I'll use a different color here. 7/8 divided by 1/4. This is my dividend, or the amount being split up. This is my divisor, or the size of the part that I'm splitting it into. So that I can just use my regular invert and multiply to solve here. I'm just going to do 7/8 times 4/1, which I know is equal to, well, if I can do some cross division here, I know both of these can be divided by 4 to get 1 and 2. So I'd get 7 times 1 is 7, and 2 times 1 is 2. So I don't want to say 7/2 though of a pizza, that doesn't make sense. So instead I'm going to think 2 fits into 7 3 times with 1 left over. So that means he can make 3 1/2 pizzas. So let's look at it in a similar way, but with a different problem. Again, we want to ask ourselves, what's being split up? So we can see here, one table, 5 people are sharing 3/4 of a pizza. So it's our pizza, what's being split up. 3/4 of a pizza. That's what's being split. Then it's being split into how many parts? It's being split into 5 parts. 5 parts for 5 friends. So the sentence that we're trying to solve here is 3/4.
Where's everybody?
3/4 split into 5 parts. So when I actually do this here, I need to think it's a whole number. So it's 3/4 divided by 5/1. So again, I invert and multiply like I did last time. So it's actually 3/4 times 1/5, or 3/20. So each person will get 3/20 of a pizza.